Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are recreating Barbie's iconic Love in the Dreamhouse fit, full of glitz, glam, and main character energy. So let me show you the step to create the look. Here, let me start with the hair. First, I'm going to go to the feminine hair category and put on this hair. Toggle it into long and change the color to blonde. Next, click on the wavy hair category and put on this hair. Use the same color. So that's it for the hair. You can start making the outfit. So first, I'm going to just go to the women's sections and put on this dress, but toggle it into top only. Change the color into this pink color and toggle it into, change the material into glitter. So this is for the top. Now you can go here and put on this skirt, and here I'm going to use this color for the skirt. And for the top, I'm going to also combine it with this top. Use the same color and material. And as for the shoe, I'm going to use one from the Valentine updates. Change the color into pink like the top and soften for the accessory. Now I'm going to go to the jewelry section and put on this necklace. Toggle it into number 2. Change the color into gold and pink. For the earrings, I'm going to just put on this one. Now let's finish the look. Here I'm going to use this code items for the skirt. Turn off the layer, change the first preview into this color, second and third, make the color white. So this is the final look for Barbie and the Dreamhouse. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.